Hello everyone, so in today's video I have brought to you a completely new episode. So this is going to be a transformation journey of a vehicle that is given to me. As you can see at the far corner there, we have the Camry there, so that is going to be our subject today. So this vehicle was given to me by a client of mine, and what this client wanted me to do is to change this vehicle, to give it this new look, at least to bring it to that brand new condition, but at least something close to being a brand new, or let's say direct Belgium. So we all know the way Nigeria is like now. We all know how our terrain, how our road is like. So it has really had an impact on this vehicle. So we'll be going through that transformation in today's video, and we'll be showing you things I'll be replacing, things I'll be changing. Anything that has any issue, we'll be replacing them completely and putting completely new parts into this vehicle. So let's dive straight into this video. And this is a vehicle I mentioned earlier that was given to me by a client of mine. And what we'll be doing in today's video is we'll be restoring this vehicle back to the direct Belgium form, because you know how Nigeria is now, you know our terrible road. So because of this, we have too many cracks on this bumper in front, so we'll be replacing it with a new one, which I have already inside the vehicle. We'll be taking that out in a minute. We'll be taking that out together. But as you can see, this vehicle, this still has its first body. This is its first paint. But you know how we are in Nigeria, we're always impatient. You can see we have bruises on this car. Let me call it bruises on this car. So we'll be trying our best to try and put this vehicle into that direct Belgium standard in today's video. This vehicle has only spent just a year in Nigeria. It was brought into the country in 2023, and as you can see, this is a really good paint job. This is still first body, but today my client has given this to me, at least to experience how the car drives like, and figure out how to bring this vehicle to that level of foreign use, because we are going to be changing the shocks. The sand guard that we have here is worn out, so everything have started tearing apart. We are going to be replacing that too as well. And as you can see, the headlamps, you can see how dull they look. We'll be washing this, at least getting it to that shiny level. We are going to be giving it that shiny grade, which is going to look brand new by the time we wash this headlamp. So that's what we'll be doing with this vehicle. And let's check out this interior. Let's see if there's any more work we'll be doing inside. So if you see the door card, you can see how clean, how black this interior looks. Everything is in pristine condition. Inside, this vehicle looks like brand new. We'll be taking out this bumper. I'll be showing you what it actually looks like. I'll be starting it up and hear how it revs, how it sounds, because this vehicle is just like brand new inside, and the engine sounds really good. This is what the interior looks like. So let's take out this bumper. This is a new bumper we got, and it's going to be replacing this existing one we have here. This is the keys right here. This one doesn't come with the keyless entry. And the only thing this vehicle is missing is the push button start option, because you would hardly find a Toyota Camry Sport with a sunroof. This one comes with it. It comes with all the other features, but it's just that thumb start that just kills the vibe. But anyway, it's still a really good car. Let's start this vehicle up and let's see what the engine room looks like. So you can see the lights we have on, no seat belts. We have little to no fuel in this vehicle. Tire pressure monitoring light is on, but we still don't have the check engine lights. They tell you how pristine this vehicle is. So on the odometer, we have back there we have 145,579 miles, and which is quite a lot, but for this vehicle in this condition, it's actually worth it. We had this vehicle as paddle shifters, being the sport trim, and we have Bluetooth connectivity and your audio control. So let's check out the engine bay and let's see what it has to offer. So here is the engine bay. This is what it looks like, and currently this vehicle is on. you can see how quiet and silent this engine was. It's just pouring away and it sounds brand new. This vehicle is untampered. Every single thing is intact. No single thing to worry about. This vehicle is in pristine condition. So we'll be washing this engine. You can see how dirty it looks. We have too many dusts inside. We'll be washing it, and when you're washing your engine, you have to pay close attention to these electrical components, especially here where we have the fuse and the brain box. If it's possible for you to wrap it up to one corner, it's better before you start using water to flush out dust that are present in the engine bay. That is very, very important, at least just to give this vehicle that care that it deserves, so you don't have to be spending a lot of money just on little things, because those kind of things, if they are not well taken care of, it can cost a lot. So this vehicle sits on a 17 inches, which is nice. It's a 5-spoke wheel, and as I'll say again, this vehicle looks brand new in person. So we'll be trying our best to get this vehicle in that brand new condition. We'll be trying our best to do as much as we can to bring that vehicle to this direct Belgium standard, because it's already direct Belgium. It's already used just 1 year in Nigeria, and we'll be trying our best to get this customer's vehicle to 100%. So watch out for my next episode, where I'll be displaying the finished product. So this is day 2 of our 2012-2013 Camry transformation, and you can see the Toyota Camry at the far corner there. So what we'll be doing is we are giving it a full paint job, and we are going to be trying to bring this vehicle to that direct Belgium standard in today's video. I already showed you what the first intro is like. I showed you how the first video is going to be like. That was day 1. We said we were going to change bumper, but as you can see, we still have our original bumper there, because this one is the original one. I didn't see the need to change that one, so I sold that brand new one off, because this is the Polo comp, and my painter said it's a perfect way to make this bumper look just as new as we first bought it. So let's dive straight into it. So here is the 2012-2013 Toyota Camry that we are making a full-blown transformation on. We said we were earlier going to replace this front bumper, but we realized that it would make sense if we kept the original bumper. We sold the brand new one we bought and kept this one. My painter said they will be able to perfect this crack and try and put it into perfect shape. But currently this bumper doesn't align because this vehicle hasn't been painted yet. We have this sellotape just to hold these two together so they don't fall off while we're driving. But now we brought it to the workshop here, just as you've seen every other vehicle we have here, which is also undergoing their paint job. So let's check this interior. Let's see the detailing that we'll be doing here. So this interior is extremely dirty, so we'll be making sure we are cleaning in and out completely, washing the seat, taking this front seat out. And this vehicle here is the almost full option. The only thing missing here is just the keyless button. But this vehicle is in perfect shape. It's in great shape, but it's just extremely dirty. So we'll be washing in and out just to give it that premium look. So this has a really huge dent at this side here. We'll be correcting that in our results. You can see how clean this interior looks. We're making sure we clean this vehicle in and out. So let's see the boot. So to show you that this vehicle hasn't been involved in any accidents, this is one way to find out. you can lift this mat we have here. We have 2 mats here. You can see how clean this area looks. There is no form of bend, and this spare tire is still in perfect shape. This, I'm not sure this tire has even been used in Nigeria. And this vehicle was brought in August 2023. But you know, now we are in Nigeria. Not every Nigerian driver is patient, and here we have a slight dent. If you see this door panel, there's a gap here, so that is going to be corrected. And there's a very long line, a scratch here, so my painter is going to be correcting that too as well. So we took this vehicle to where we replaced the sand protector. This is the initial one. This one still is in perfect condition, but this one here was replaced, but there's an excess. The one here was replaced, so it's not really this sand protector, so there's an excess here, so we're trimming this down so it fits perfectly with this 2013, with this 2012 Toyota Camry. We'll also be washing these headlamps because currently they are not as sharp as they should look. And you can see the engine room. This is a really clean car inside and also in the engine. Oof. But just watch out for my part 3, where I'll be transforming this vehicle completely to look just like brand new. And I'll see you in my next video.